In celebration of our 75th anniversary, Hearns Hobbies has collaborated with Knight Customs to create an exclusive Tamiya Blockhead Motors Wild One buggy kit, limited to only 10 worldwide. This special kit includes Knight Customs Wild One engine with 2 exhaust options made in resin by Hearns Workshop. Japanese RC magazine featuring Blockhead Motors parts case. Ninesteps electronic speed controller. Certificate of Authenticity signed by Nick, Brett and BJ. Commemorative Box Band. Launch date will be announced to newsletter subscribers only. Sign up to our newsletter on our website. Hearns and Knight Customs Tamiya Blockhead Motors buggy kit.